met, and to name a few who were there actually is Kalai, Iggy, the guy at the back there, Sri Munan, Bawan, I think he's on his way. And I think it was during one of these meetings that, this very first meeting, I think I was introduced to Google Nation. Alright, so I've known him since that meeting in this mama shop. So during this meeting, briefly what we did was we tried to talk about reviving Klang District Hockey Association. But unfortunately, there were numerous challenges to trying to get this revival of this District Hockey Association. So what we did was we decided to start our own hockey club. Alright, so that was beginning sometime in January 2001. Okay, a lot of people ask me, apa ini Synergy? What is Synergy? You know, why Synergy? This name was proposed by Padmanathan. Can I have you standing for a while, my friend? That is the man. That is the man that gave the name. And yes, some ask, oh, are we sponsored by petroleum company? How I wish we were, you know. Are we looking at some petroleum giant to sponsor? We tried, but no one said yes to us. So a lot of questions were raised, but Synergy simply means a pool of people, sorry, some spelling error there. A pool of people working together. It's all about teamwork. It is actually synergizing. Okay, people come together and do something good. So that's what basically we are. So you will see in this very leader platform itself, people from different race, age, group coming together. This is part of Synergy. Okay, so from there, after Papa proposed the name, we set up a pro-tem committee. A few more meetings were held in Yunus restaurant. Pro-tem committee was basically, I think, 3 people. Okay, it was Kuganesen, a lot of hard work from Kuganesen, Ignatius, Iggy, pro-tem committee. You remember? You did a lot of work on this. Thank you very much. If it was not you, I don't think we will be here today. All right. And Sri Munan as well, who helped us a lot with a lot of translation work, I remember, right, 3 of you all. So they spearheaded this registration process. Constitutions were drawn up and submitted to ROS, alright. It took us about 3 months to get this registration done. And finally, we were registered as Synergy Hockey Club, Port Klang, alright. Okay, I told you I won't let go the mic until I finish. The teacher said that, jangan kasih mic pada dia lagi. Okay, then as we got our club registered, we did several things, meetings and all what activities we wanted to do and so on. Alright, and I think at that time I came up with this club motto, which I think fitted our Synergy team very well. The club motto was teamwork beats all. Right, so that's how we work together and to do everything that is within the task. Our achievements over these 10 years, we have participated and supported Selangor Hockey Association, which is our home ground. Alright, there are a number of people from Selangor Hockey Association here today as well. To name a few, Brian, alright, Mr. Terry. Thank you all very much for guiding us through this process as well. Now, our first participation was Selangor League 2001, then moving on to 2002. Now, after that, we also started developing young children, young juniors, youth, okay, through our Synergy Junior Hockey team, in which we are, bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, we are a self-sponsored club. We have no money in the bank, okay, no one gives us money, but we did our best to bring these juniors from our town. Mainly they are all local town boys. We want to give them a platform to play, so we went big, fine, borrowed, but we never stole, right? We took money from wherever we could, and we put these 2 junior team to 2 years of junior league. It was not easy, right? I think after that we couldn't go on simply because of financial constraint. So I'm proud to say that we did something for that year 2002 and 2003. Alright. Apart from that, along the years we also played a number of friendlies with neighboring clubs on a home and away basis. We've been to Seremban and a few other places. Okay, now, many a times we leave our home. I'm very sure, I think it's timely to tell something here to those who are married, who've got kids at home. I can assure you, there was not one single hockey match that I went without a battle at home. Alright? There was one gentleman who envied me. He envied me, but I can admit to the gentleman today, there was never one hockey match that I left without a battle at home. So, for all the battles that I had, I would like to thank my wife, my children, for allowing me to enjoy this one game that I love very much. Now, there is also a plea to those who are here, girlfriends, wives, please do acknowledge that they love the game, that's why they are there. So let them go lah. Cukup lah. Orang sudah kasih satu inci, mau minta satu kaki. So anyway, thank you very much to my wife and my kids for sometimes not seeing me there during the weekend whatsoever. Alright? I would also like to thank the other wives, girlfriends and children who sacrifice alongside my work, my playing colleagues. Alright? So currently what we are doing, we have over the last 2 years started to play indoor hockey. As usual, no money, so best place to play wherever got free light at night. The only one that we could find was Botany, badminton court. So go and play there. We started playing there. Numbers increased, interest increased. We then moved on to play at Arena Sports Futsal Court, which is great, which is actually a very nice place to play indoor. So now, a lot of people will have ladies' night on Thursday, we have hockey night on Thursday. So we play hockey every Thursday night. Alright, so anybody interested in joining indoor hockey can join us Thursdays at 8 o'clock. So moving on from there, we participated in the Selangor Hockey Association League, which started again in 2009 and 2010. Now, interestingly, in the year 2010, we had enough old members lah, someone like me lah, 40 and above, to form a veterans team. So that was our first Selangor Hockey Association 9-a-side veterans tournament where we played. And I'm proud to say, we were not in the top lah, but we were top from the bottom lah, Play category runners up, which means losers pool number 2 lah. Okay, but we did it lah, right? So from there on, we have also participated in the K. Ramalingam 6-a-side tournament in both 2009 and 2010, and also we have participated in Selangor Open 2010 and 2011. Actively, after the first veterans tournament, we have now actively participated in several veterans tournaments, and I tell you, it's really enjoyable. Okay, I'm glad I can still run for 5 minutes now. So we have played in Ipoh, KL, and Penang. Right? It's really enjoyable. It's nothing about winning, but it's so much more about fellowship and just trying to run for the 5 minutes in the game. Right. Now, interestingly, we also I think interestingly what we did in the veterans tournament was actually quite good. We not only played with guys, we had 2 or 3 ladies joining our veterans team, which I think no other veteran team has done. James, am I right to say that, James? Perfect. James is not our club member, but he's here. Thank you very much. He's played several veteran tournaments. He's our ex-national player, by the way. So I'm glad to say that we actually have that kind of sportsmanship and fellowship and just going out there and enjoying. It's nothing about winning. I don't think so at this age we want to take back trophies. Alright, club logo was introduced. You can see the club logo on the top left, which I think is a beautiful club logo. Designed by Mason, I think. Right. Thank you. Also, he's also known as Vadir. Maybe when he take the mic afterward, you all ask him why. I really don't know why. Okay, so club logo was introduced, and this year, successfully, we have also transferred our registration from ROS to Sports Commissioner, which I think is a must. It's a must, isn't it? It's a must now. So we are now registered with the Sports Commissioner office. Now, we internally, because the numbers that played every Thursday in the indoor court was getting more and more, we organized our own indoor closed tournament, which I think was quite an enjoyable event on that Sunday afternoon. Alright. Now apart from that, this is the next event that we have organized, which is basically a family day dinner thing. This afternoon between 2 to 4, we had about 15 children from the ages, I think 5 onwards to about 15, coming and getting together and playing some tally matches and winning some vouchers and some gifts. So it was a very enjoyable afternoon with the kids. So this is important. We don't want to just be selfish playing hockey and don't bother about our kids, our family, but we want to do things together. We want people to know who we are. Alright? Now with that, we will end my thank you note to all of you all once again. And but he won't come immediately. We'll give you all something in between first. Okay, my final words is that please do enjoy the dinner, mingle around, get to know our fellow members, their families, their friends, and please do enjoy the food, as well as do get lucky, because we've done our best in getting some of the best prizes for you all for today. We want you all to go back, being happy with us at the same time enjoying the dinner. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Gudis. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to have a dinner. The dinner is served at the end of the ballroom. And gentlemen, please allow the ladies and the kids to go and have their food first. While waiting for them, you can booze around with the beers and whiskeys. Thank you.